The following footage, recorded from the Russian perspective, captures a series of FPV drone strikes targeting Ukrainian military equipment and defensive positions in the Konstantinovka sector, one of the key areas of ongoing combat in eastern Ukraine. As the conflict continues to evolve, first-person view, or FPV, drones have become one of the most influential weapons on the modern battlefield. Originally developed for recreational racing, these inexpensive unmanned aircraft have been adapted into highly effective attack platforms capable of carrying explosive payloads and striking targets with remarkable precision. Their widespread use has transformed battlefield tactics, allowing both sides to engage enemy positions at relatively low cost while minimizing risks to their own personnel. The footage begins with aerial reconnaissance identifying Ukrainian positions concealed among defensive fortifications and natural terrain features. Moments later, FPV drones are launched toward their designated targets. Guided remotely by operators who receive a live video feed from onboard cameras, the drones maneuver at high speed across the battlefield, navigating obstacles and adjusting their flight path in real time. As the drones approach their objectives, Ukrainian military equipment and fortified positions come into view. The operators carefully guide the aircraft toward vulnerable points, attempting to maximize the effectiveness of each strike. Seconds later, the drones impact their targets, triggering explosions that send debris and dust into the air. Throughout the video, multiple engagements are shown, highlighting the growing role of drone warfare in the conflict. Military vehicles, field fortifications, and frontline positions are subjected to precision attacks conducted from significant distances. Such operations demonstrate how unmanned systems have become a central component of modern combat, enabling forces to locate, track, and engage targets with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The Konstantinovka direction has witnessed intense fighting as both Russian and Ukrainian forces seek to gain tactical advantages along this contested section of the front. Control of key positions in the area remains strategically important, with both sides relying heavily on artillery, reconnaissance assets, and increasingly sophisticated drone capabilities to support their operations. This footage provides a glimpse into the rapidly changing nature of warfare, where small, relatively inexpensive drones are capable of influencing battlefield outcomes that were once determined primarily by conventional artillery, armored vehicles, and infantry assaults. As the war continues, the use of FPV drones by both sides is expected to remain a defining feature of the conflict, illustrating how emerging technologies are reshaping military operations in the 21st century. Footage from the Russian perspective shows a serviceman placing an explosive charge beneath a disabled and apparently abandoned Ukrainian HMMWV before detonating it. The resulting explosion destroys the vehicle, preventing its potential recovery or reuse. Footage from the Russian perspective shows a fiber-optic FPV drone operated by airborne forces targeting Ukrainian troops riding in the cargo area of a pickup truck in the Zaporizhzhia sector. This footage, recorded from the Russian perspective through a helmet-mounted GoPro camera, provides a close-up view of assault troops from the 1,466 Guards Motorized Rifle Regiment as they maneuver through the Guliapol microdistrict in the Zaporizhzhia direction, an area that has witnessed sustained combat during the ongoing conflict in southern Ukraine. The video offers a rare ground-level perspective of frontline operations, placing viewers alongside soldiers as they move through a landscape shaped by months of fighting. Urban and semi-urban environments such as the Guliapol area present unique challenges for infantry units, where every building, street corner, and damaged structure can potentially conceal enemy positions. In such terrain, movement must be carefully coordinated, with troops advancing cautiously while maintaining awareness of threats from multiple directions. As the footage begins, the assault group navigates through the ruins and defensive positions scattered across the district. The signs of prolonged warfare are evident throughout the area, with damaged buildings, shattered infrastructure, and abandoned structures illustrating the intensity of previous engagements. The soldiers move methodically, using available cover and terrain features to reduce their exposure while advancing through the contested zone. Operations of this kind typically rely on close coordination between infantry units, reconnaissance elements, artillery support, and increasingly unmanned aerial systems. Drones often play a crucial role in providing real-time intelligence, identifying potential threats ahead of advancing troops, and helping commanders monitor the evolving situation on the battlefield. Such support can significantly influence the success of infantry movements in heavily contested environments. The footage highlights the realities of modern urban combat, where progress is often measured in small distances rather than large territorial gains. Every building cleared and every position secured can have tactical significance, contributing to broader efforts to establish control over key sectors of the front line. Soldiers operating in these conditions must remain alert to threats ranging from small arms fire and concealed defensive positions to artillery strikes and drone attacks. The Zaporizhia direction remains one of the strategically important sectors of the conflict. Both Russian and Ukrainian forces have invested considerable resources in strengthening defenses and conducting operations aimed at improving their positions along this front. As a result, engagements in the region frequently involve a combination of infantry assaults, armored support, artillery exchanges, and extensive drone activity. The helmet camera perspective shown in this footage provides an unfiltered glimpse into the challenges faced by frontline troops. Unlike aerial footage or distant battlefield recordings, such views capture the complexity of moving through contested terrain, where decisions must be made quickly and where situational awareness can be critical to survival. Beyond the immediate action, the video also reflects broader trends in contemporary warfare. Modern infantry operations increasingly depend on coordination between traditional combat units and advanced technologies, creating a battlefield environment that is more connected, more transparent, and often more dangerous than in previous conflicts. This footage serves as a snapshot of ongoing military operations in the Guliay-Pol microdistrict, illustrating the difficult conditions, tactical movements, and close-quarters challenges that continue to characterize combat in the Zaporizhia direction.